Easily make your videos more stunning and eye-catching with this animation. Today we will learn how to animate a picture in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. This is a overlay background. As you can see, there are 3 PNG files here. I am going to drag one of them onto the timeline. Then select it and go to the effect control. From here I will decrease the scale so that the image look smaller. See, it's now smaller. Next I will go to the position section and here you can see the position keyframe. I'll enable it, move for a little and bring the PNG file to the center. I'll add another keyframe here to start the animation. Then I'll move forward by 5 frames and activate the scale keyframe below. I will make the image larger so it zoom in. To make it smoother, I'll adjust the curve of the keyframe, which will give us a smoother animation. Now, if we play it back, you will see the animation looks good. If I move it to the center, it will appear differently. That was our first step. Now I'm going to another files. I'll drag this file to the top of layer. Place it over the first file and adjust it to match. If I change the blend mode to overlay to screen, you will notice it blend nicely with the picture below. I'll match the keyframe both of layers. Keeping them in the same place. In the same way, I'll animate this file too. I will enable keyframes. Move 5 frames forward. And align it into the center. Now when we play it back, you will see the animation happenly smoothly. After the previous 2 PNG finish their animation, I'll bring this on in a little later so it blends well with the rest. And that's it. Finally, if we play it, you will see the whole animation is perfectly complete. If you want to learn more amazing animation like this, click on this video and enjoy fun tutorials.